So, Peter, what more can the banks do, particularly the 5 largest banks, do to help smaller companies get easier access to financing?
Well, we have some survey results out this morning from about 4,500 businesses. And there are 2 key messages that are coming through that survey work. The first message is the simple word of confidence. So 3/4 of our SMEs, our small businesses in this country, are saying they don't want to borrow. They just want to leave their business as they are and try and get through the recession. About 1/3 of those are disengaged. They don't know whether to go to the bank, and they have the view the banks won't want to support them. So confidence is the first message that comes out of there, and we have a role in trying to help with the confidence. Then the second message that's coming through is it seems to be more difficult for first-time business borrowers to get money from the bank. So that's something else that we're looking at.
I mean, banks have been coming under increasing pressure, haven't they? And this isn't anything new. It's over the last couple of years. Chancellor George Osborne, Vince Cable, when he was business secretary, but beyond that, business lobby group saying, listen, the banks just aren't doing enough. And the sort of consistent line of argument that you hear from banks, the rebuttal is, well, there's no demand out there. Is that really the case?
Well, demand is the issue, and supply is not the problem. We have plenty of liquidity to support businesses. At NatWest and Royal Bank at the moment, we're lending about £100 million every day. We're doing about 40% actually of all the lending for SMEs in the high street. So lending is there, but confidence is the issue, and the role we have is to help businesses understand that we can help them with mitigating the risk of interest rates. We can help them with low interest rates. Just a fortnight ago, we brought out a new loan product, which is a fixed rate, up to 10 years loan product, a fixed rate with no break costs and no fees attached to that, at interest rates that are the lowest I've seen in 37 years of banking. Our asset finance division is providing leases where we will take the residual asset risk. So it's things like that that we're trying to do to try and give businesses the confidence to borrow and to invest. And we hope that will stimulate some of the demand.
All right, so what does that mean for demand going forward? Do you think that it will improve?
Well, I think what we can do with businesses is try and help mitigate some of the financial risks for them. So we see today the retail sales numbers coming out looking quite positive, but Sir Mervyn King yesterday looking a bit more negatively at the sales forecasts. So there is instability going forward. There's instability in Euro world. What we can do is try and bring some of that stability back, and that's what we're all about.
All right. Well, thanks very much indeed. Good to talk to you, Peter Ibbetson, Chairman of Business Banking at RBS and NatWest.